I just want to give a shout out to Mike for correcting me on this one particular song because I thought I was playing it right for my entire life. Didn't really pay attention until I heard us clash. What song am I talking about? I'm talking about Does She Do Me That Way? I Like Living This Way. Human Nature. And I remember we were going through it. We hit Does She Do Me That Way? Does she do me that way? If they say why. And it really started standing out right at the moment in the song where it's repeating. Does she do me that way? I like living this way. I like living this way. We all know that. On those 3 times, does she do me that way? Each time, you're gonna play the B. You know what key this song is in. The song is in D. So, does she do me that way? Does she do me that way? B. Okay? And that's should be remembered for the chorus in general. Because once again, I've played it wrong for so many years. So the chorus is an 8-bar chorus. Okay? So how does that work? Count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. 5, 2, 3, 4. 6, 2, 3, 4. 7, 2, 3, 4. 8, 2, 3, 4. Remember that, because that's something that can easily get confused. Down the minor. Does she do me that way? I like living this way. I like living this way. This is just a quick little thing to remember for all you musicians out there that play this song, alright?